What's up, guys? I'm sure you saw the title. We're playing a little game. We're gonna play rock, paper, scissors in a second. Whoever loses has to walk around this parking lot with the train horn. But whoever wins gets to hold the button and blow it whenever the hell they want. I'm really nervous. I think it's gonna be really funny. I don't know if I want to win or lose. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh my god, dude.
That was perfect.
You win.
That was fucking...
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I hope y'all enjoy. If y'all think this is funny, give it a like. If y'all think it's stupid, don't give it a dislike because, I mean, don't do that. We're out here.
Are y'all ready, kids?
This is my favorite.
Hey, what's up?
Hot dogs. Cereal. It's cereal, and that's a box of condoms, Magnums. That's 2 liter of soda.
That's hilarious. So fire.
Yes.
God damn it. We have a technical thing.
So, what are we about to do? Is that you? No. No. That wasn't you? Was that you?
What?
That was loud.
It was loud.
I guess it wasn't him. Oh, this is gonna be funny, dude. I'm so scared right now. Oh my god. That scared the out of me. Good. Oh. Is it following me? No way. Really? Oh fuck. What the f? Hauling ass. Okay. All right, let's switch. Rock, paper, scissors, f you.
Where the hell that from?
Back there?
Oh shit, yeah. Probably.
In your shenanigans?
Dang. You should go beat their ass. You wanna go? Let's go do it. Dang.
Yeah. Anybody makes me shit my pants twice.
Let's go beat their ass, dude. Dude, that's gotta be them.
Oh, well, it sounds like it's coming from everywhere.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of crazy.
It's coming back.
Dude, it sounded like it came from right the f here, dude.
I know, all over the place.
That's crazy, man.
That must be them. Do it again.
You scared my baby, I'll kick your ass!
Quit sharing the baby, guys.
No one makes me poop my pants twice.
Come on.
Parking lot.
Oh my God. Where did that come from? Is that you?
No.
What the hell? That's crazy. I must think that was a Honda or something. New horns, maybe?
That sounds like a train horn someone put on their car.
Yeah, it must be this one. That's crazy. Damn, Hyundai stepping up their game.
No, that's it. One, it's a Honda, and two, it's an aftermarket, if it is.
Oh, really? That's crazy. Oh, who's doing that? That scared the shit out of me. Damn, no telling, dude. Thanks. That thing's got a loud horn on it.
Well, that's what
Yeah, it's crazy.
I was walking back up here, I was like, I
Yeah.
came back and I was like, what is that?
That thing is loud, ain't it? Oh my God. Where's that thing coming from? Dang. That is loud, ain't it?
Where's that thing coming from?
Oh shit, are they coming for us? They are definitely calling the cops.
They're definitely calling the cops.
Oh shit, manager, get out of there. Let's go somewhere. Manager.
You want to take it?
I just want you to put the camera down, collapse the thing. Guys, that manager is not happy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. You shouldn't have done that, John. You should have just been chilling. Oh fuck, dude, she's coming.
Who said it was me?
Guy in there.
Which guy?
This guy right here.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah, where's your horn
Get out of
at?
your shopping cart, dude.
Sir?
Come out of the Honda. The two guys that got in the Honda left.
Oh, really? Did you ask them if it was them?
It went off after they left, smartass. You did it right beside me when you were the only one.
They could have came back.
What's in your bag?
Cereal and milk.
I doubt that.
I just thought I'd call police on you right now.
Did you?
I will.
You will?
Yes, I will.
There's no need to do that.
Well, you guys don't come back with that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Hey, sorry, man. I didn't know it offended you that much.
Bullshit. You're over here trying to scare people to what?
Well, we're really just...
Lights or some stupid shit.
Maybe. Yeah, sorry about that. You have a nice night.
I hope y'all have a wonderful night.
I do too. I hope you have a great night. Is that a Miata? It suits you well.
Bro, that just happened, guys.
Stupidheads out here just...
Doing it big, baby.
Yo, my ears.
Boy, my ears.
Yeah,
after
sorry.
that,
That was probably the funniest thing we did all
How
night.
do you spell it?
Yes, and Mike.
I got you.
Yeah.
White Morrison 30.
White Morrison
30.
30.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Shout out to all you Publix workers out there putting up with our shit.
You for real got me so good on that.
Really? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. It was just a short little video we want to do in like an hour. It didn't take us long, but it was pretty crazy. It was fun. But I just want to let y'all know we have a part 2 on the golfers versus train horn prank, and that'll be out pretty soon. We're really working hard at it. That's what's taken all this time, all these like 2 weeks. We've been working on that in the fucking heat of Florida. Yeah, if you want to see more of this kind of stuff and you're new to this channel, subscribe. We live, baby. Woo!
It ain't easy being this athletic.
What'd you say?
It ain't easy being this athletic.
Understandable. Let's go. Oh, damn it, dude. All we're trying to do is get a thumbnail, dude. And this cop will not leave me alone. He's got his window down now. Oh, he's being nice.
Well, I think I know what's wrong.
I think I know what's wrong. I think I know what's wrong. I think so.